Mornings can be tough, right? If you're like me, you've probably struggled with sluggishness and brain fog first thing in the morning. But ever since I started incorporating fresh juices into my routine, my energy levels have skyrocketed. And my focus? Sharper than ever. Welcome to Holistic Wellness Realm, your go-to place for natural remedies, holistic living, and wellness tips. If you love discovering simple, effective ways to support your health, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a video. In today's video, I'm sharing my top 3 favorite morning juice recipes that will kickstart your day with natural energy and mental clarity. Let's dive in. Juicing is one of the easiest and most delicious ways to fuel your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Unlike coffee, which can cause an energy crash, these natural juices provide sustained energy without the jitters. Here is a pro tip. When choosing fruits and veggies for juicing, aim for a balance of natural sugars, fiber, and greens to keep your energy steady throughout the morning. First up, we have the morning sunshine, a juice that's as vibrant as the sunrise. Here's what you'll need. 2 oranges. The oranges are high in vitamin C, which boosts immunity and enhances iron absorption for energy. 1 carrot, packed with beta-carotene for eye health and antioxidants to reduce inflammation. 1-inch ginger, a natural stimulant that improves digestion, circulation, and fights fatigue. Half a lemon. The lemon alkalizes, supports liver detox, and enhances hydration. This juice is the perfect blend of sweetness and a little kick from the ginger. It wakes up your senses, fights inflammation, and gives you a natural glow. Next, we have the Green Powerhouse, a nutrient-dense drink packed with chlorophyll and essential minerals for sustained energy and mental clarity. Ingredients: 1 green apple. The apple adds natural sweetness while supporting gut health and digestion. 1 cucumber. Cucumber hydrates the body, flushes out toxins, and provides essential electrolytes. 2 celery stalks. Celery is rich in antioxidants, supports digestion, and helps regulate blood pressure. 1 handful of spinach or kale. Spinach and kale are both high in iron, which fights fatigue and supports brain function. Half a lemon boosts vitamin C absorption and aids in detoxification. This one is an absolute game changer. It hydrates, detoxifies, fights inflammation, and keeps your energy steady all morning long. Last but not least, the Berry Blast, a deliciously sweet and antioxidant-packed juice that fuels both your brain and body. Ingredients: include half a cup of blueberries, rich in antioxidants that enhance memory, focus, and cognitive function. Half a cup of strawberries, high in vitamin C, which strengthens immunity and fights oxidative stress. 1 small beet, which helps with increasing oxygen flow to the brain, improving endurance and mental clarity. 1 apple. The apple balances flavors while aiding digestion and providing natural sugars for energy. And half a cup of coconut water, loaded with electrolytes that hydrate and prevent fatigue. This one tastes like a treat, but it's actually working wonders for your focus, hydration, and overall well-being. There you have it, 3 easy, delicious, and nutrient-packed morning juices to help you power through your day. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a health-boosting tip. Cheers to vibrant mornings. See you in the next video.